Hello and welcome to AI360studio.com. Allow me to guide you on how to use this great AI tool from our studio called Graphic Genius. This app instantly creates powerful AI-generated images that capture attention and elevate your brand. AI360 Graphic Genius designs visually stunning, high-impact banners, website headers, and landing page visuals that make your first impression unforgettable. From your dashboard, locate the Graphic Hero Genius icon and open it. Here, type in your prompt or use the microphone to specify exactly the graphic you desire to be generated. Boom! In few seconds, your graphic is ready. Very simple and direct. Now, click the three dots and download the generated graphic or request for a different image by adding a new prompt. That's it. Why not go try our Graphic Hero Genius now and see the power of AI at work? If you don't have an AI360 Studio account yet, go sign up for one in the ongoing creators deal right now at AI360studio.com and take advantage of the numerous AI tools we have in there. Thanks for watching.